My name is Mark Joseph Seriaco, 19 years old, from Tabunok, Panlete, Base 71 Alpha. So today I would be answering these two questions. First is briefly explain the existence of a maximally great being in terms of the following: information in DNA, fine-tuning of the universe, the existence of absolute moral values and duties, and irreducible complexity. So information in DNA. DNA is information-bearing properties challenge materialistic theories of less origin. The DNA molecule functions as a software program encoding genetic information necessary for building complex proteins and life structures. The vast biological information in DNA implies an intelligent cause, similar to recognizing intelligence when encountering information elsewhere. Fine-tuning of the universe. The fine-tuning of the universe, fundamental constants and laws of physics suggests a maximally great being. Precise values of these constants and laws are essential for complex life. Slight adjustments would lead to a universe unable to support life. The fine-tuning indicates an intelligent designer who intentionally established conditions for life to flourish. The existence of absolute moral values and duties. Absolute moral values and duties can be traced back to a maximally great being. Objective moral values and duties require an absolute, transcendent source. A maximally great being, being perfectly good, loving, and just, would provide a solid foundation for objective moral values and duties. This being would have the authority to prescribe moral laws and duties for creation, and creatures would have a moral obligation to obey them. Irreducible complexity. Irreducible complexity refers to biological systems that cannot be explained by slight modifications. These systems require all components to function together for a system to work. An example is a bacterial flagellum, a rotary motor with around 40 different protein parts, all necessary for its function. The existence of such systems in biology suggests that work of an intelligent designer, as they could not have arisen through random chance or gradual evolution. So question number 2. Briefly demonstrate the functions and significance of the material and immaterial part in terms of dichotomy theory. The material and immaterial parts of a human being are often discussed in relation to the dichotomy theory, which posits that reality is divided into two fundamental parts. The material part of a human being, also known as the body, is the physical aspect that is composed of the matter and can be perceived through the senses. It is significant because it is part of us that interacts with the physical world and is subject to its laws. The material part, also known as the soul or mind, is the non-physical aspect that is believed to include our thoughts, emotions, and consciousness. It is significant because it is thought to be the source of our identity, personality, and consciousness, and is believed to survive the death of the body in many philosophical and religious traditions. Together, the material and immaterial parts of a human being make up a complex and multifaceted entity that is both a part of the physical world and something beyond it.